I did not want to undergo chemotherapy, which I had a new name for, killing therapy.
The doctors told us Dustin had only a few months to live. The first treatment offered us was radiation.
It burned her skull so bad she had second-degree burns and her hair never came back.
The next doctor wanted us to enroll Dustin in a experimental chemotherapy.
To change her diapers, we had to wear rubber gloves because her urine was so toxic and it burned her.
I came 18 years ago from communist Romania, and the tyrannous dictator Ceausescu never stopped a doctor from treating anybody. How can we have something like this in the United States?
I'd like the following questions to be asked the FDA. How much money have they spent in the last 10 years to try to put Dr. Burzynski out of business? How many documents can they subpoena, and how many more grand juries does he have to go to? And why can't patients who have advanced cancer seek the medical treatment of their choice?
The issue of whether anti-neoplastons work may not even come up during the trial. The judge says that's not relevant.
Dr. Bruce Cohen is the director of neurologic oncology at the prestigious Cleveland Clinic.
The only explanation is that it shrunk because of the therapy.
He confirmed Dr. Burzynski's results.
And I was sick listening to the lies of prosecutors. This was like a criminal act. They knew what they were doing, and they knew that these patients have really no chance to respond to any treatment. They're going to die.
His tumor, which was larger than an egg, has shrunk to the size of a pea.
The last 7 years that we've had Paul, and he's been healthy, and I owe it to this man. And there's no way that I'd ever be able to thank him enough for what he's done for us.
Have he and his agencies been trying so hard to cut off my son's last hope for life? Without this treatment, my son will die.
It was not necessary for them to do it. They could tell the truth. They represented the biggest power, but they still were doing this all the time. So they were trying to do it a sneaky way, and that's what is horrible, okay? That's what should be exposed, because I think the United States deserves better.